what I know. That you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. I was crying on the same kiss, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all we have to do is wrong. You will be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet cause you died if you knew. So close your eyes, escape the storm for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was Scarlet Letter. When my daddy said stay away from Juliet, but everything's on me, I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all we have to do is wrong. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They try to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, I'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. One day that if you love it coming around, my feeling was fading. Wait a minute till all the eyes go to town, and I say, Romeo, save me. Ever been so long? I keep waiting for you, but I never got it. This in my head, I don't know what to think. We not to the grammar, but the way to read to say, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's I really know. You tag to you, dagger, big you as a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say